How to convert 1 microgram to milligram? 1 milligram equal to 1000 microgram. Okay. So to cancel this microgram part will be denominator, so that you can easily cancel. This part will be numerator. 1 times 1, 1, then 1000 milligram. So 10, 100,000, these are called power of 10. To divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros is 3, so decimal point will move 3 places from right to left. This is the whole number, so decimal point will appear here. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus. So decimal 001 milligram. This is the answer.